Masculine men don't chase, not because they can't, but because they know chasing destroys their value. If you're constantly running after validation, people, or love, you're playing the game all wrong. Let's break it down. Today, you'll learn why real masculine energy attracts. It doesn't beg, it doesn't plead, and most importantly, it doesn't chase. If you've ever felt ignored, used, or rejected, this video will open your eyes. Masculinity isn't about muscles or deep voices, it's about energy, powerful, grounded, purpose driven energy. A man who chases has already lost his frame. He's no longer the prize, he's the pursuer. And in psychology, people only value what they have to earn. When you chase, whether it's a woman, approval, or attention, you're signaling this. You are more valuable than me. That's weak energy. The more you chase, the more they run because people can smell desperation, even if you mask it with charm. Masculine men don't chase, they choose. They walk in purpose, they build themselves. And if someone fits into their journey, great. If not, they keep walking. There's something powerful about a man who can walk away. No drama, no begging, just silence. Silence is louder than words. It screams confidence. It says, I don't need you, I choose me. The truth? People are drawn to those who don't need them. Mystery, confidence, self respect. That's what makes them curious. That's what pulls them in. Real men don't waste time chasing. They're too busy leveling up. They know when you build value, you don't have to chase anyone. The right people come and the wrong ones fade. So stop chasing. Start leading. Start choosing. Build a life that's so powerful that people chase you. If this message hit you hard, hit that like button, subscribe for more dark psychology, masculine mindset, and power dynamics. Drop a comment. I don't chase, I attract. And remember, masculine energy doesn't run, it rises.